Hi guys, welcome to today's session, and today we are going to discuss about Network for Greening the Financial System, NGFS. In this session we'll first see a brief about NGFS, then we'll discuss about ADB and US Federal Reserve in NGFS, what are their roles, and then we discuss about the One Planet Summit of 2021, and then also we'll discuss what is One Planet Summit in general, because the NGFS, that is Network for Greening the Financial System, was introduced in the One Planet Summit. So that is the connection between NGFS and One Planet Summit. So let's now start. So guys, the Network for Greening the Financial System, that is NGFS, it is a network of 75 central banks and financial supervisors that was created in the year 2017, and at present the NGFS has 83 members and 13 observers, and it aims to promote green finance and recommend the role of central banks in climate change, and it supports the best practices for the development of climate risk management in the financial sector. And the NGFS was originally announced at the Paris One Planet Summit, that was in December 2017, and its secretariat is hosted by the Bank of France, and it was launched by 8 founding central banks under the leadership of 3 dignitaries from the central banks of France, Dutch and England. So that is about the NGFS, and the main point that you should remember here is the Reserve Bank of India is not a member of this National Network for Greening the Financial System, NGFS. So that is about the NGFS. Now we'll discuss what is the role of ADB and the US Federal Reserve in NGFS. So friends, recently in July 2020, ADB joined the Network for Greening the Financial System as an observer. And if you see the other observer, they are International Finance Corporation, IFC, the World Bank, the Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development, OECD, and we have the International Monetary Fund, IMF, as NGFS observers. And also, if you see the US Federal Reserve Board, they had recently joined the NGFS as a member. So ADB is an observer, and NGFS, US Federal Reserve, is a member. And the US Federal Reserve Board membership comes after the inclusion of climate change in the regular assessment of financial stability vulnerabilities for the first time by the US Fed. And as we all know, ADB is a regional development bank that was formed in the year 1966. It is headquartered in Manila, that is in Philippines, and at present ADB has 68 members. And US Federal Reserve is the central bank of United States of America. It performs general functions like conducting the national monetary policy, fosters safety and efficiency of payment and settlement system, promotes the stability of financial system, etc. And it was formed in the year 1913. So that is about these two bodies, Asian Development Bank and US Federal Reserve in the NGFS. Now we'll discuss about the One Planet Summit 2021. So guys, during the One Planet Summit of 2021, around 50 countries committed to protect the 30% of the planet. They committed to protect the land as well as a sea area in the next decade, and this would help slowing down the species extinction and addressing the climate change issues. And the summit was organized with the aim of protecting the world's biodiversity. And during the summit, US officials and leaders of Russia, India and Brazil were absent. So that is to be noted. And the summit was organized with the theme, Let's Act Together for Nature. And the highlights were, it was organized on and focused on 4 major topics: protection of the terrestrial and marine ecosystems, protection of agroecology, to increase funding so as to protect biodiversity, and to identify the links between deforestation and the health of humans and animals. And a program called PREZOD was launched on the occasion. This program is an unprecedented international initiative that seeks to prevent emergence of zoonotic diseases and pandemics. So that is about One Planet Summit of 2021. Now we'll discuss in general what is One Planet Summit. So One Planet Summit is an international event that is organized with the focus on biodiversity so as to mobilize the commitments of protecting the ecosystems. It makes links with the human health, and the summit is organized with the aim of promoting worldwide ecological transformation. It also measures the environmental and climate protection with respect to innovation and economy. And the first One Planet Summit was organized in the year 2017. This was organized 2 years later, the historic Paris Agreement. And in the year 2017, the summit has adopted 12 international commitments like to respond to extreme events in island states, to protect the land and water against climate change, etc. So it is a very important topic with regard to your prelims preparation, One Planet Summit, and it is One Planet Summit which paved way to that network of greening the financial system, NGFS. So guys, that's about this all about this particular topic. It's a very important topic. Please study about this in detail. This can be an expected question in the prelims also. So we'll meet tomorrow with another topic. Thank you for watching this lesson.